The topic of our project is Vayu Drishti, which tells us about carbon emission tracking and public accountability platform. So what problem are we solving? Every year, thousands of factories, power plants, and vehicle fleets release millions of tons of carbon into atmosphere, and almost none of it properly verified. Right? Here is what actually happens. A company measures its own emissions, it writes its own report, it submits that report to regulators. The regulator accepts it because there is no way to check, right? So, to come up to all these issues, what we have done is we have implemented Vayu Drishti. Welcome to our prototype. So this is the website that we have created, Vayu Drishti, which is blockchain technology advanced, which has all the real-time API data that is taken to multiple API keys. There are almost 9 API keys that we have included, and let me show you that these are the running API keys. You can see every single one of them is running. We have used all the real data. We have not used any of the simulated data. Let us go ahead with the project. So this is Vayudrishti platform. Uh, these are some fancy emissions, effects that we have used. This is something new. Uh, you can see real-time IoT ingestion, satellite cross verification, 87% forest accuracy, blockchain audit trail, and three sectors that we have focused on: industry, transport, and energy. Um, let's come down to the step one. That is, first step is the data ingestion that we have taken through 9 different sources. Some of them are listed here, and some of them you can also view it in the GitHub repository and as well as the API keys. And moving on to the step two, we have got verified emissions calculation. Then we have included the predictive analytics. Now, suppose you wish to know tomorrow what would be the carbon emission from this specific place, then you can advance from here. Then the fourth step that we have done here is we have made an actual live real-time dashboard, which has all the facilities like blockchain, and everything is integrated: front end, back end, API linking, real-time data. So I will show you the dashboard, what we have created. Um, just give me a second. I will show you what this is all about. Suppose organization name, let's say YU. Okay. I will use this email. Suppose I log in through company admin, and the sector that I have chosen is industry, energy. I can choose any of them. Suppose password I put in like 1234. Just a second. 1234 and 1234. Okay. Now this entire thing goes to my mail, and the code is 704856. Now I have verified uh, the code, and now we will land on to the dashboard that we have created. And let me tell you again, the every single data you see here is real-time data, and these are all of its logs. Everything is running in front of you. And one more thing I want to bring you to notice, that many people, what they do is, you will see, very red flags and green flags here in the data, but you can see all types of data running over here. There may be some flagged events. There may be some, compliance score, which may be 70%, some may be 80%, because everything is real time. These are all the sources that we have included. Suppose PostgreSQL, we have used the Docker for all the database, PostgreSQL, everything running through it. Then you can see the over AI forecast next 90 days. This is the uh, LSTM model that we have used here, which gives us the 82% accuracy, which tells us about the Delhi, Mumbai, and Chennai right here. Then there is a graph which shows about the industry, transport, and energy equivalent graphs. Then here are the conversions that we have used, because as I told you, we have taken from multiple sources, right? The data, it is given in multiple forms. We have converted it in the proper format of the CO2, then and only we have made the model. Moving on to the next part, we have created the live map. For example, you can see these are the locations that we can see through the live data that is getting ingested. If I click on to, let's just say, Patna. Okay, if I click this, you can see the compliance score over here. Just a second. Yeah, Patna. You will be able to see the full profile over here. Just a second. In live map. So in live map, you can see the compliance score is 76%. A minute ago, it was 74. Now it is 76 because of the real-time data. This is flagged. There may be some, discrepancies into this. For example, violation history is there, report consistency is there. That is why it has, clicked as flagged. Then there is 90-day emission history, AI forecast.